The exhaust systems in most model truck kits are fairly accurate and all the basic parts are provided. In some cases the fit of the parts and how they're engineered to go together can leave something to be desired, and as a good example, AMT's Mack R has the front and rear exhaust pipes glued together at a D-shaped joint like this, shown in completed form using parts from the spares box. Some filler work would take care of the gap at the bottom right, but the connection still doesn't look that realistic, especially when considering how real truck exhausts are held together, which on many trucks is with band-style clamps like the one shown here. Creating these band clamps in miniature not only makes it easier to assemble the kit parts, it also makes the finished model more accurate. Usually made of stainless steel on the real trucks, a good material to replicate these band clamps in miniature is aluminum tube. There is a wide range of sizes available in the K&S metal selection, and to fit the AMT Mack R kit exhaust pipes, 3/16 or 0.188 thou is an ideal size. One reason I like using aluminum tube to make the band clamps rather than brass tube is that if the fit of the pipe needs to be adjusted slightly, aluminum is soft enough that the metal can be shaved off the inside with a hobby knife to adjust the fit to the pipe. Aluminum tube is also easy to cut, and to make a 4-inch long band clamp in 1/25 scale, cut a piece of aluminum tube 0.160 of an inch long. Depth gauge on a vernier caliper can be used to set the cut length, and an easy way to cut the tube is to use a hobby knife blade and gently roll the tube across a flat surface while applying pressure with the knife blade. Glue a piece of 40 thou by 40 thou square styrene strip along the length the tube is shown here. Trim off excess length, file the ends smooth, and then glue a pair of rivet heads on one side and a pair of nut bolt washer castings on the other to represent the fasteners holding the band clamp together. Back to our kit parts, file off the excess diameter on both ends of the pipe, but retain the D-shaped sections where the pipes join together. Even the gap that was present on the bottom side of the right-hand pipe won't be a concern, because it's in behind the band clamp and hidden from view. These parts were assembled on the workbench for demonstration purposes, but another great advantage of using band clamps on the finished model is this is a much easier connection to put together when you're working under the cabin between the frame rails than trying to clamp and glue two pieces of pipe together as per the kit instructions. On the Mack that I'm currently assembling, I use two band clamps and a short piece of tube to represent a section of flex pipe in between the exhaust pipe sections. A band clamp is also modeled where the exhaust pipe attaches to the muffler. Here a band clamp is used to join the front and rear kit exhaust pipes on a Kenworth conventional, and one more advantage of using band clamps in this manner is that it reinforces the joint, acting as a sleeve on the outside diameter of the kit exhaust pipes. Fitting a Detroit diesel with dual exhaust to an AMT Kenworth cabover was made much easier with the scratch-built band clamps because the exhaust system could be built in separate components and assembled in place, just like on a real truck. And similar to a real truck, the band clamps both align and strengthen the joints where the pipes are connected. They are small, but they aren't hard to build, and these scratch-built band clamps make installation of exhaust systems on model trucks a lot easier. Thanks for watching, and give these band clamps a try on your next model truck project.